Hello fellow developers. Today I'm going over the Ask tool. This simply allows you to ask a question about your current PR. Let's go ahead and dive into the PR and look at some of our code. I have a piece of code with the request handler and I might not know about that information. So let me ask about this request handler. So I can come back up to my code base to the conversation and write in the command the ask, tell me about the AWS proxy request. And now I'm going to comment. We're going to get our eyeballs like usual. That's telling us that Qodo merge is going to look at it. And then it'll start preparing its answer. And here's the output. It gave me a good answer about the actual proxy handler and all the information that I need to know about it. Thank you and happy coding with Qodo.